everybody, I'm Lady Red and this is Lady Red's Tech Reviews. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 reasons why my daughter should buy the iPhone 14 and the Ultra watch. So stay here, leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content and find it helpful. Drop a comment if you have anything to say about it, and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy it and want to see more. Make sure you ring that bell and get all the notifications for the new videos. Okay, so if you have been to my channel before, you know I am an Android user. I am not an iPhone fan. However, my daughter is. She has an iPhone 12 and a Shark watch. She loves both of them and she is budget conscious. She's not going to run out and buy the newest thing just because it's the newest thing. There must be a reason. She's either going to have to tear up something, like leave it on the hood of her car and lose it going down the interstate like she did her iPhone 11, or it's just going to have to wear out over time like her iPhone 7. Why should she buy the iPhone 14 when she's only had the 12 for a year? And the Shark watch, still pretty new. Why should she buy those things? I'm gonna tell you. The iPhone 14 has something that she needs because she is a very active young woman. She's 22 years old. She lives in the mountains and she loves to be outdoors. She is active. She is a climber. She loves to be outside climbing those mountains, exploring caves, and if it says don't go there, she's gonna go there and make sure that somebody takes her picture where she's not supposed to be. Kind of like this one. Pretty much sums her up. She's breaking barriers everywhere she can break them. I couldn't be prouder. And I would feel a lot safer with the connectivity feature available with the iPhone 14. The satellite connectivity feature can pinpoint in an emergency. It's not meant for just, calling somebody. If you have an emergency and you do not have cell service, you can still, with your iPhone 14, any of them in the series, link up to a satellite for emergency services. It's going to use texting rather than calling, and you're going to have to answer a few questions, some personal data. Do you have injuries? What is your location? It's going to register your battery life on your phone. It's going to keep you on the phone for a few minutes and alert emergency services nearby to your location and what's going on, what your situation and circumstances are. Do you have injuries? Are there any broken bones, or are you bleeding? Are you just lost, or, what's going on? You're going to have to answer just a few questions. I think that's fantastic, especially for the adventuresome sort and not just your average everyday user, because most people aren't going to use that. But those like my daughter that like to be out and explore new places and climb mountains and go where other people don't go may have use for that. And moms like me will feel a whole lot better knowing their kids can link up to a satellite in case something should happen. Another reason, number 2, why my daughter should buy the iPhone 14, the crash detection. Now this works in with the watch. That's how it works best. She is 6 hours away from here and she loves to go on trips. She loves to take a road trip whenever she can. She does have a full-time job, so she doesn't get to do that as much as she used to. But she does enjoy, if she's got a day or two and she can go somewhere, she's going to go somewhere. And oftentimes she will drive home for the weekend. If she's got a couple of days off, she'll come back here, which is 6 hours away. And she has to go through a lot of really bad traffic in Nashville. So I would feel better knowing that she has just one extra layer of protection in case something does happen on a stretch of road where maybe there's not any, police, or she's driving at night on those mountain roads, because mountain roads, if you have never driven on one, they're pretty twisted and turned. Like you're going this way, around back, you're going to meet yourself coming, okay? That's a mountain road for you. So it would make me feel a lot better knowing that she had this feature between her phone and her watch. the crash detection, and it will alert emergency services if you don't cancel it. If you leave it and let it go, it's going to go. And you can also just slide the button right over. It would make me feel so much better knowing that if she's unconscious, her phone's going to call 911 for her. Reason number 3 is for the watch. The watch has a compass. Again, she loves to explore. She loves to be out where other people don't go. She's like me. She's not a big people person. She wants to see what other people haven't seen. Apple Watch Ultra is made for people like her that want to go to different places where maybe there aren't real specific maps. And when you're going to these places, you're not going to want to carry around a big bulky map. Who carries the map? So you've got this compass, and you can put trail markers on the compass and keep up with your location at all times. You can see where you're going, where you are in relation to your trail marker, and you know exactly, or at least close to, where you are at all times. But those are the 3 reasons I feel like my daughter should upgrade from the 12 to the 14 with the Ultra watch. So the iPhone 14, it is an expensive phone, but good news, she uses Visible for her service, and Visible does offer some financing. So let's take a look now at Visible's financing options. Visible offers financing through Affirm. Ta-da! And this is a no credit check. Like, they do a soft credit check, but it's not a hard credit. They don't care what kind of toothpaste you used 10 years ago. So you can get financing through Affirm a lot easier, and the payments will be a little more flexible. They're going to be based more heavily on your income and your banking activity than your credit score. Now, if you do want to go directly to the Apple Store, and this is how I encouraged her to buy it, to go to the Apple Store and trade in her iPhone 12, because Apple's offering some big discounts. Now, I don't have exact numbers for you. I can't give you those numbers. Only Apple can. So there you have it. 3 reasons why maybe you, and definitely my daughter, should upgrade to the iPhone 14. Because of this, if you are an adventurer, if you love getting out in nature, all the scenes you have seen, this is a green screen, in case you didn't know. I am not on top of a mountain, okay? This is pictures she has sent me from her adventures. And yeah, that's her in it. This is something she loves to do, and I would feel so much better knowing that she can link up to a satellite at any time and say, hey, come get me, I fell down. Or that her phone will alert emergency services if she's in a car crash on the road, those twisted mountain roads where she lives, on her way home late from work one night. I would feel so much better, just because I know her safety is just a little more protected. And the watch works so well with the crash detection. And the watch with the compass and the trail markers, when she's out on these adventures, climbing all these mountains, like, the compass is such a helpful tool for those who love to do those sorts of activities. That is why I think she needs to upgrade. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's the video you never thought you would see on this channel, the Android channel. I know, right? I never thought I would make this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so glad you hung around to the end. Let me know what you think about it down in the comments, and let me know where you are watching this video from. I'm curious. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, get all the notifications. If you want to take it one step further, get lots. I've got dozens of videos in the VIP room right now, loaded up, ready to go. You can catch up on that right there. Look at that. Those are the VIP levels. Check them out. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.